Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing the tag that's it's like the 40 beauty questions tag. And sorry if it's super loud because I have my fan on because it's like really hot outside. It's almost 80 degrees, and if I don't have the fan on right now, I think I'm going to like die in here. Here are the questions. I didn't read through all of them before, and this is a tag. So I tag anyone who wants to do it. I wasn't tagged by anyone in particular, but I saw this tag going around, so I was like, oh, this seems fun, and you guys can know more about me. So first questions are on skincare. It says, how many times do you wash your face daily? I wash it once in the morning and once in the night. What skin type do you have? I dry in the winter and then really oily in the summer because I sweat a lot. What is your current facial wash? I use the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. Do you exfoliate? I used to exfoliate my lips and my legs when it was winter, but in the summer I really don't. What brand do you use? I use, for skincare, I use Aveeno products, and I also use Neutrogena. I also use Clinique sometimes. Do you have freckles? No, I don't have freckles, but I do have a lot of birthmarks. Do you use eye cream? No, I don't use eye cream. Do you or did you ever have acne-prone skin? I actually have very acne-prone skin. I actually have a lot of blemishes in my forehead area. And when I used to have like straight cut bangs, I used to sweat a lot, so I had like so much acne there. Do you ever have to use Proactiv? No, I never tried Proactiv, and I never planned on using it. Now these are the makeup questions. What foundation do you use? I don't use foundation, but I do have a foundation compact that I use to like cover up little blemishes, and it's from Ipkin. How about concealer? I use the Revlon Color Stay Blemish Concealer. Do you know your undertone color? Actually, I don't even know what that is. I know there's like a green undertone and a pink undertone, but I don't even know how to find it or what it is really. What do you think of fake eyelashes? I don't think that they should be worn every day because I see people in my school wearing fake eyelashes in school. I'm like, that's really over dramatic. But they're really pretty for like a night out, like a special night like prom. Did you know that you're supposed to change your mascara every 3 months? I actually didn't know that before I started YouTube. Then I found out as I did YouTube. What brand of mascara do you use? I use Lancome and then a CoverGirl one and L'Oreal. I like change up my mascara like every day. Sephora or MAC? Actually, I don't shop at either of them because I'm really allergic to a lot of different types of makeup, so I'm really afraid to try new ones. So I love Lancome, and that's the one that my mom uses, so I'm just like following in her footsteps and use that too, because a lot of their stuff is like hypoallergenic. Do you have a MAC Pro card? No. What makeup tools do you use in makeup application? I use brushes. Do you use makeup base or primer for the eyes? I actually need to get a really good primer, so please comment down below a really good primer. I know the Urban Decay one, but I don't want to break out. So if there's any other one that's like hypoallergenic that you know of, please comment below. For the face, no. What is your favorite eyeshadow color or shade? I love Kitten Heel by Lancome. I have it on my eyes right now. It's in the pot, the pan. It looks really salmony and pink, and with like a little gold reflex. But when you put it on your eye, it's like completely gold, and it's really pretty. Do you use pencil or liquid eyeliner? I use both. I interchange between them when I feel like wearing eyeliner. How often do you poke your eyes with an eyeliner pencil? When I first started, I really used to do it a lot, but not anymore, really. What do you think of pigment eyeshadows? I've actually never tried it, but I would like to. So, yeah. Do you use mineral makeup? I don't think I own any mineral makeup so far. What is your favorite lipstick? My favorite lipstick is Vintage Rose by Lancome. It's really close to my lip color, but then it has like a purple sheen to it, and it's really pretty when I put it on my lips. How about lip gloss? I have this like Clarins one, and it smells like cupcakes and nude pink, so I love that one. What is your favorite blush to use? I actually only own one blush, and I don't really use it, so. Do you buy your makeup on eBay? No, I don't. Do you like drugstore makeup? I use some drugstore products, but I'm not a big fan of like eyeshadows from drugstore because I break out a lot. I've tried a lot of drugstore eyeshadows, and I've broken out to mostly all of them. Do you go to CCOs, cosmetic company outlets? Love to go and visit one someday, and I don't think there's any near me right now, so yeah. If you're ever considering taking makeup classes. Actually, no, but I would love to take them. Are you clumsy in putting on makeup? When I started makeup, I was really clumsy, but now I'm like getting really better. Name a makeup crime that you hate. I hate girls in my school that wear so much eyeliner. They think it's cool to put on an eyeliner, and they use it like it's an eyeshadow and put it everywhere, and by the end of the day it's like all down to their eye. It looks disgusting. It looks like they have a black eye, and it's really ugly. Do you like colorful shades of makeup, lipstick, eyeshadow, or neutral ones? I like neutral shadows and like lipsticks because my eyes, they can't pull off really colorful eyeshadows. Which celebrity always has great makeup? I actually don't pay attention to that really. If you could leave the house using one makeup item, what would you use? Mascara, really. I love mascara. Did you ever leave the house without any makeup on? No, absolutely not. Do you think you look good even without any makeup on? Not really. I look like a blemish freak. It's kind of disgusting. In my opinion, what is the best makeup line? Lancome is like definitely my favorite. Even though it's a little bit pricey, their quality is totally worth the price. If you ever try it, you'll be hooked on forever. And what do you think of makeup? I love makeup. It's a way that girls can express themselves and make themselves feel better, make themselves look better, and it's just really great. And yeah. Have any other suggestions you want me to do, like any other tags, please tell me. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Bye.